Okay, so these are the 505 which I'm going to work on today. Um, so first thing first, the signal light here is always having uh, partial contact. This one, so sometimes it works, sometimes it won't work. Then if I come here and jingle the connector to work, sometimes it just stops. So the issue is the connector. So I was like, you know what? I think I'm tired of this connector, so I'll have to change them. So um, but then to easily do that, I considered to do it from under here, remove the tire. But from the look of things, I realized that I won't be able to have enough space. The connector was not long enough, the wires were not long enough to do it from here. So there was no point for me to actually remove this front left tire. So anyway, so I had to now remove the light. So and to do it, I also will have to remove the headlights on the left side. So that I've done. This is the headlight. So I also decided to use the opportunity and replace the horn. So this horn failed. I know as of 20. I replaced them in 2012, if I'm not mistaken. I think late 2012 or early 2013. It was 2012 that I replaced the horn. So the ones here are not even OEM. So at some point, um, one failed. So right now it's only one that is working. So I decided to replace them. So I made an inquiry. One of my contacts says he has a used OEM, only used one. So in the two of them. So when they bring, we see how it works. Um, most of the new ones in the market, they don't actually give you that original Peugeot sound on. So if the new used one will work, which is even more expensive, I'll go with that. I didn't see new OEM. So those are the two things I'm going to do. So I'll find this is the other connector. So I'll find one. It doesn't have to be this model of connector. I'll find any of the newer connectors on newer project cars and change them. You know. So, uh, so that's it. I'm waiting for the horn to come. Then I'll start the work. Or maybe I'll just start with the connector first while we're waiting for them to bring the horn. Okay, so need to clean this place. Clean it a little bit. It's very dusty. Thanks to our dusty environment. Other than that, so far the car is working well. Nothing to give me any concern yet. Of course, it doesn't mean everything on the car is working perfectly. It's a used car, so no matter what, there must be one or two things that are not working as good as they should. But just primarily, the car is okay. So we'll see. Okay, so I've mounted everything. I've changed the connector here, and also the horn came. I've actually forgot to take a video of that, and so that has been done. And tested it off the vehicle first, and it sounded very well. So let's first test. Let's start with the signal light. It's working now. Before now, the light will not be. You can see it's working now. So then let's see how the sound, the horn. Alright, so that comes to the end. I wish I had remembered to take video to show you guys the horn, but anyways, it was used horn, so but OEM. So I think rather I tested the old ones. I was only one that was actually working. I was faint. The second one has died. The two horns, one has died. The one that was working was just very faint. So so that's it. And again, like I said, I don't think I have any other thing to worry about on the car for now. Alright, see you next time.